In industries like construction, utilities, and field operations, managing field teams becomes difficult when updates are scattered across spreadsheets, chats, and disconnected systems. With MAPOG, you can monitor team activities, manage tasks, and track project updates visually through location-based maps, all from one centralized platform. Start by visiting storied.mapog.com and open the Operations and Planning section. Go to Locations and select Add New Location Type. Create a project location template by entering a title, selecting a color, and choosing Point as the geometry type. Then configure project-related attributes such as site name, project category, team status, or work stage using drop-down, select, or multi-select fields. Enable contributor access so field teams can use this template inside the Contributor app, then save the location type. Next, upload your project or field activity data by clicking Upload. Choose the newly created location template, browse your Excel sheet, and begin the import process. Assign the required location fields and generate a unique ID automatically to avoid duplicate records. After that, map each spreadsheet column with the correct attributes, connect the latitude and longitude fields, resolve any validation issues, and submit the upload. Once completed, all project locations will appear automatically on the map. To make updates, search for any map location and open it. Click Edit to update progress details, attach site images, add observations, and save the latest activity information. Now move to Tasks and open Task Type Setup. Select your project location template and create new task categories based on your workflow, such as inspection, field verification, maintenance, reporting, or progress review. You can also build customized task completion forms by adding question types like text responses, drop-down selections, multi-select inputs, and image uploads for proof of work. To assign activities, go back to Locations, open a project location, and click Add Task. Choose the required task type, enter the task title and description, define deadlines, set priority levels, and assign the current status. To allocate work to team members, click Add New, enter their email address, assign roles, and select them for the task before creating it. Assigned users can then access these tasks directly from the MAPOG Contributor app. They can filter assigned work, update task statuses such as in progress or completed, upload field images, add comments, and submit task completion forms from the field itself. Inside the Task Management section, managers can monitor all submitted tasks, filter them by project site or activity type, review updates, add remarks, and approve completed work. To visualize everything together, open Create and Publish Maps and click Create New Map. Now select with Template option. Select the appropriate project category template, enter the map title and description, and create your project tracking map. You can also upload your organization logo through map settings for better branding. Now click Add Location and choose Add via Library to bring all uploaded project locations onto the map. Select your custom project location template from the drop-down and add all map locations. You can further organize the map using group by attributes to cluster locations based on project stage, assign teams, or activity status. Apply filters to monitor specific project updates. To improve visualization, open Add Layer Style and apply category-based styling using different colors or icons for various progress stages or task types. Finally, go to Preview and Share to control map access settings. You can keep the map public or private, share it through a link, embed it into dashboards, or invite collaborators to monitor project activities in real time. With MAPOG, you can track team activities, monitor project progress visually, and manage field operations more efficiently from a single connected map. If you need help with data uploads, feel free to contact us anytime at support@mapog.com.